Alright, me and Javier, we're in the high limit room, the vault at San Manuel. We're playing Sahara Go. We put $100 in each first spin with the free games. Alright, sir.
You go ahead and
go ahead.
Select it. You go ahead and select it.
Let's hit them both at the same time, see what opens.
Sure.
Or left. I'm feeling left. What do you think? Alright, go ahead.
Hold and spin. Oh,
Ooh,
200.
Alright, that's good.
That's not bad.
Let's see what we get.
That's really good. Come on, baby. Oh, no. No retrigger almost. Retrigger. Come on, baby. Come on. Camel, camel, camel.
Now you want camel.
All those camels, baby. Camel, camel toes, camel lips, everything. Come on. That's how we do it. We need more than that, though. We need all 4 of these. All 4.
We'll take it. I don't know how much that is.
We got that top line.
That's pretty of a kind.
4 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Alright, we're up 52 so far.
Come on, baby. We need 4 of those camels.
Alright, just hit the button for God's sake. Come on.
Yeah?
Fuck yeah. I want to stare at a camel's ass for half an hour?
Come on, man. We need camels right there. Yeah. Oh, my God. Come on. Camels down.
You get 5 of a kind anywhere?
Oh, the 10. Yeah, the 10.
That's good. What are we doing? 70, 80 bucks? 80 bucks. There we go. First spin.
Keep going.
If you want. We'll be back if we hit anything. Alright, we left the, what was that? Sahara game? Yeah, we cashed out with 250. And Javier has a itch to play Dragon Link today. So he came here, he's playing his free play. Like 5 or 6 spins in. He just hit the bonus. The Hold'em spin.
Come on, Minor.
Come on, man, you can't get any of that.
Come on, Minor.
You're betting too much for the grand.
Oh, that's true.
You know,
I'll take the major.
You know, only the 50-cent bettors hit that.
I'll take the major.
Come on, you only need 2 more balls for 11,000. I can't get that glare out of this thing. Woo! You want anything to drink?
Take a water.
Look at it. Let's see how much he tips.
$1. Thank you, dog.
There you go. Is this $1? $2. There you go.
My whole free play right there.
There you go. What'd you spend?
15 bucks.
15 bucks in free play got you 46 so far?
Yeah.
There you go, see? Don't worry, Daddy's here today, buddy. We'll come back if he hits anything.
All right.
Hey, like 4 spins later. Let's see how you do here, sir.
Come on, baby.
You gonna finger it or something, or what?
Come on. Nothing yet. There we go. There we go.
Balls.
Oh. Come on, baby. Some fireball. 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 Hold out 10. Fireball.
I told you, stop asking for it.
I'm not. I'm telling it. I'm not asking. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Give us a fucking fireball.
You're begging it. You jinxed yourself.
$6. You dirty dog.
You jinx.
All right, that means you guys get a better bonus then.
All right.
I'll take it.
All right, that was the end of his free play. He had 50 bucks, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
So he came up 20 altogether.
$20 to 15.
There you go, sir. What's next? All right, we're here at my favorite, Ultimate Fire Link. We're gonna put 100 bucks in, 10 cent denom, $34 to spend. Let's get it. on, balls. Damn, dude, there's no balls in here at all. No balls, yeah. You should have given me like 3 just to fuck with you. Look, not even a 1. You're going to $2 a bet. Oh no, another screen, no balls.
There you go.
There, just one.
Let me go try that.
Go ahead. All right, down to 30. That was quick. Oh. Oh. Go back to 2. Oh shit, there's another one right above that. Alright. So $7 if we hit 3 games, $2. Give me those bells. Alright, $20 there. $1. We got 31 so far. Nice. $37.50 on that one. Up to $68.50. Alright, 2 more spins. Come on. Reach with it. Dick. Ah. Alright, 76, not bad. So we're at what, 83 altogether? Alright. The journey continues. Oh, one more. Yeah. Let's go back to 2. Come on, fireballs. $6 to spin. Oh yeah, nothing on $4. Let's go back to 2. Alright, last spin miracle. You hit something? What'd you get?
Bonus.
Bonus? Alright, we got Dick over here. Alright, we stuck another 100 in. betting $4 a spin, sometimes 6. And we hit the bonus. First one. We got 64.50 left. Let's get it. Come on, give us some writing. There we go. I need one more for 10 bucks. Alright, and 3 more for 20. Those are the totals up there. The mini and the minor. Oh, that just broke. You got a big ball up there. Is that 200? Yeah, that's a $200 ball up there. One more for nothing. Yeah, the balls are falling different. I think that's it. Whoa, there we go. Glad I was wrong. 4 more now for 200. There we go. Hey. Come on, drop some writing. Damn. That major is primed to get hit. 3,200. I'll even take a mini. Alright. Yeah, that's it. Alright, what do we got there? About 100 and... I'm guessing 116. Let's see. Oh, I mean way more than that. Will get us even? Yeah. 142 and 64. Yeah, we're up $6. Yeah, 650. Alright, that fool's still playing over there. So we'll play a little bit more. I'll probably cash out at 150 if I get there. If not, we'll come back with the next bonus. We're at something called Wheel of Fortune 4D. More money. Huge machine. We'll put in $100. Those are the bet amounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. It says $5 is the best odds, so that's what we're gonna go with. Alright, wish us luck. Let's get it.
Now you're playing for big money. That's the way to do it.
Wow, the chair has a kick to it. So we got an active multiplier of times 11. We won $18. I have no idea how any of it works. We got cherries. Was $8. Another 8. Oh, another roll would have been nice. $9 there. Come on, spin. I'm guessing we need 3 of those spins.
This is shaping up nicely.
Yeah. She jinxed it.
Your going to spin the wheel.
It's exciting to be here. Now, if you're ready to go,
God, she's still
give that
alive?
wheel a spin.
When I was a kid, she was doing this show. All right,
Spectacular.
look up. Times
Nice job.
1,500.
I hope you had fun.
That's
Come back
75
and we'll
bucks?
play again.
Yeah, what was the next one? Toss up? Whee! Catch him. We'll do 4 more spins. Alright, that's a times 6 multiplier when we're 540. Okay, last spin.
You can do it.
Ah, it just went by. Alright, we're gonna quit. That was Wheel of Fortune 4D. Hope you guys liked it.